How to use Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. So first of all, launch Messenger application. Now on top, you can see Ask Meta AI or search. Tap on it. From here, you can ask any question to Meta AI. I'm going to tap in How to find friends. Then after this, just tap on this Ask option. Once you do so, you can see Meta AI will be responding to your question. After this, you can simply ask anything you wish to. You can also tap on this plus button. You can also take a picture from your camera or upload a picture from your gallery and ask Meta AI to edit that picture or ask your query about that photo. You can also record an audio and send to Meta AI, or you can also tap on this option of Imagine to create any certain images according to your imagination. So follow these easy steps in order to use Facebook Meta AI on Messenger. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.